Stewed beef. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Feffie. Today we're gonna make stew beef. First of all, you're gonna need 700 grams of beef. I used a rib loppen. It has some fat on it. You're gonna cut it into cubes. Oh yeah, wait a minute. Don't forget to subscribe. Then you're gonna use some seasoning. You can really season it as you want. I use sazon, a bit of adobo, my green seasoning. I'm gonna put the link for that recipe down in the description. And then you're gonna set aside after mixing. Then we're gonna do some green beans. I like to cut them slanted. That's how my mom taught me it. And it's very therapeutic. Don't forget to wash it, and we're gonna set it aside. Now we're gonna do our plantain. Every dish with plantain is an amazing dish. You can use as many plantains as you want, of course. This one plantain is only for me. Just joking. Set it aside. Then we're gonna cook our rice. Make sure to wash it. There you go. We're gonna multitask here. So we have the rice on the back burner. We're gonna make the green beans now. You're gonna need about half an onion, half of a small onion, depending on for how much people you're cooking. I'm making a dish for 4 people, 2 adults and 2 little humans. That's not gonna eat green beans, but you're gonna add a little salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. You can also use some fresh garlic. You're gonna stir it and put it on small fire so it can cook. Now we're gonna start with our stew beef. You wanna put some oil in there, wait until it gets hot, add a little bit of brown sugar, and then throw your beef in there. Stir it up. I'm gonna add some paprika powder. You can add some chili powder, even fresh hot pepper. I'm gonna have some black pepper, some coriander powder, and I like to use my bouillon cubes. I use chicken, by the way, Maggi bouillon cubes. Depending on the salt, everyone likes their salt level a different way. So you want to make sure to taste it, especially because you're gonna add water just now. Then you're gonna add some soy sauce and you're gonna stir it up. Remember, your stew beef you can really make the way you want to make it. Some people add carrots in there, some people add dumplings. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna add some onions and some red bell peppers. You can choose all the color bell peppers there is, and some tomato paste. Then some celery. I know I could have chopped this, right? But it's just a bit, so we're gonna just cut it, stir it up, and then you're gonna add a bit of water. Make sure it's not too little because you don't want to burn your stew beef, and make sure it's not too much because we're not making soup here. Now you close that up and you're gonna leave it cook. And on the other side, the green beans are done. Stir it up, turn off the stove, and then don't forget to turn your rice. I do not have a rice cooker. I don't have space for a rice cooker, and I'm okay with that. Now we're gonna fry our plantains. And then you're gonna turn it around. I love plantain. Now we're gonna remove that. Oh, look here. A pressure cooker is really the best thing out there. It cooks your beef, your oxtail, everything very quickly. Now we're gonna plate some rice, some green beans, some stew beef. Don't forget a sauce and a couple of plantains. This is just for the camera because you guys know I have like 10 pieces of plantain in my plate right now. There you go, stew beef. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. See you at the next video. Ciao, ciao.